Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. For that, make sure you get the Bybit application and you're logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step. At this home page, at the bottom right, you can see assets option. You need to simply tap on that. You'll be led to this kind of interface, and there you can see various options: deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert. You need to tap on convert. You will be now led to this kind of interface. Here now it will be automatically set as from BTC to USDT. But in your case, if it is showing another crypto, then you can simply tap on that and simply change it. And here you can choose BTC. Likewise, you also need to do the same at the to section. All you need to do is tap on it and choose the USDT. After that, you can simply enter the balance over here. And this is how you can convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.